Hello and welcome to a newest video from this car. This is our SL 500 with AMG package, and this car is just in an unbelievably cool spec. It came from factory with the AMG package. It has under 100,000 kilometers and it came from the first German owner. It's really cool. It looks really cool. I just love this spec. It also has the AMG suspension, and this is just the spec you want. Really cool. I wanted to show you also from the inside. It has a blue interior. First I thought like, okay, is this nice to see, but it looks really good. It looks really good. Also the rooftop is blue. At the moment I don't have anybody that can help me with removing the panoramic roof. So that's why I can't make pictures without the roof. But I must say the panoramic roof is one of the best specs of this car. It's so cool. Also the chrome exhaust, you can see there. This car is for sale. I don't think for very long. I just put it online because I need to sell some of my cars in my collection. But it's so cool. It's a really cool car. I can show you all the details. There are some flies etc. on the car. I didn't wash it. It stands for 1 year in my garage. But that's why it looks like here also there's some dirt on it. I need to wash it, I know. But yeah, you can see how cool the car is and which condition it is. The wheels. I think it had a scratch somewhere. No? This wheel, I think. Yeah, here. It's original, so never been repainted. Here. But still overall in a really cool condition. I think here some of the clear coat, this is the only spot, and yeah, this wheel is perfect. There's absolutely no rust. The wood is in perfect condition still, never been too long in the sun. It has now 99,000 kilometers. Of course, this looks so cool. And really important, it has a Bose sound system. It is beneath here, I think. Yeah, right over here. Like that. Also the middle console. There are not too many scratches. This looks really cool. Mercedes-Benz. The guy always drove the car with an extra floor mat in it, so the floor mats are now dirty because of me, but if you clean it, it's like new again. That's the sound of a door. It looks so cool. I love this car. So I have wheel locks on them because these wheels are really expensive. It are still the original tires from 2016-17 because the guy didn't drove so much, so the tires are old but still good. A lot of profile on it. Also the lights are so clear. I love this car. I love this so much. Yeah, so this also, like the brakes are in new condition. It can be that the back tires are a little bit younger. I don't know. What does it say? No, 2015. No, they are from 2015. Oh. Bleifrei super. So these cars don't use 98, still 95. It has this is a popular thing from a panoramic roof, but it has some corrosion here. Important to know. But look how nice these lists still are. But overall, this is so cool. And never been smoked in it. So that's it. Yeah, what can I tell more about the car? I searched for, I think, 4 years to find a German first owner car with AMG package from factory. Also, this car has an AMG suspension, so it is the same spec as an SL55 AMG R129. Facelift 2, really rare to find. So this is a special find, and I would never ever sell it, but I have an SL600 final edition 1 out of 1. I have an SL500 final edition Magma Red, and I have some other special cars. So one needs to go. My girlfriend told me, like, you need to sell one. So unfortunately this will be the one. And I'm still reconsidering it, but if I can find a real car collector, I would love when it goes there, and who will drive it, because I don't drive my cars. They are always parked in a garage, and that's just horrible. So that's it. Yeah, if you see this video, like it, and I hope you will enjoy it. Thank you, and see you soon. Bye bye.